Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's an awesome Turkish dish that is normally prepared stuffing baked potatoes, but I'll show you how to prepare it easily in a tray. Mash 6 cooked potatoes in a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, salt, and 1 cup of grated mozzarella and mix. Spread it out in a slightly wet ovenware and press gently with your hand. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a skillet. Add in 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and mix. Then add 5 sliced sausages and cook. Scatter the sausages over the mashed potatoes. Top with sliced green and black olives, half a cup of pickled cucumbers, 3/4 cup of canned sweet corn, 1 cup of boiled peas, and 1 cup of boiled carrots. Finally, sprinkle with a cup of grated mozzarella. Bake for about 25 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees until golden brown. If desired, decorate with some ketchup and mayonnaise and serve while still warm. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!